Amorim gone. Manchester United is still shit. Wonder why. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, if you're brand new, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there, no cost nothing. Just drop a quick like on the video, please. Referee, Blue Rooster, fam. Let's go. As you can see, I'm disheveled, upset, mad. Me just because I have to watch Manchester United because I'm a team. That's why I'm watch Manchester United. That's it. I'm not vested anymore. I am not vested anymore. Manchester United 2, Burnley 2. Again, we got Sesko get couple goals. Well, him should connect well with couple of them. He scored 2 goals, but still his connection wasn't good in couple shots where him taking out of the goal. Okay, great. We get couple chances. Bruno get one. I remember Cunha getting chances as well, but first of all, Amorim is gone, which means Manchester United revert to 4-2-3-1. And to be honest with you, the game was good. It was all right. Manchester United had majority of the football, yes. The first goal that we conceded, 1 goal, is difficult. One, Dallo, Casemiro stand up right next to each other. Man just split the two of them. Man run on. I don't know if you use him left foot or right foot try to start the ball. Deflection goal. I don't know. That was tough. All in all, we should have done better with the chance that we got. They didn't get a lot of chances, but we should have done better with the chance that we got. The second goal they scored, very good goal. But I am now seeing what everybody else is seeing when it comes to Amorim's choices in the team. No, not because Amorim play 3-5, 3-4-2-1 or 3-4-2 or whatever and play 3-4-3. It's not because Amorim played 3-4-3 wide and fine. It's because what a lot of people are saying is that Amorim wasn't a chance taker, fam. Today, we try in 2-2, and what did Darren Fletcher do? He now bring on a defender. He bring on a striker, brother. He bring on a forward, Lacey, and Lacey rip up the game, brother. The man left foot is so sick. His left foot is so freaking good. Brother, the man come on and turn up on left foot and put it right on the post. The man, I don't even want to talk about Lacey is so good. He might be a baller. He's going to be a freaking baller. But we can promise you, he's going to be a damn baller. But that's a conversation for another day. Manchester United could have done better, should have done better, but they didn't do enough to win the game. Defense was crap for the second goal, absolute shit. And then they start pushing to get the second back, to get the goal back again, and the game was just open wide like a dirty girl. And I don't like them footballing, but they had to try it because we had to get the win. So when the game this weekend in 6th, starting in 6th, ending in 6th, even though Chelsea lose, we got 1 point or above them now, but still Brentford jump our head away. It's just it's annoying, fam. It's very, very, very much annoying, brother. I might tell the truth. It was very much annoying. That game was good because yes, I kinda like the fact that we're going back to the back 4, even though I didn't mind playing the back 3. But playing the back 4 give us a lot more room in the midfield. Now Kobe Mainoo came on the second half, and as we know, when Kobe Mainoo playing, the man just different gravy, brother. Different gravy. So next game, maybe it won't start next game, but maybe 2 games from now, you can see Kobe Mainoo and Bruno and Casemiro in our midfield. Probably, possibly, maybe, I don't know. Maybe in play against Brighton, start against Brighton, I don't know. But I'm glad him get some minutes and then Mount get some minutes and then Bruno, brilliant pass, wonderful pass to Sesko, brilliant goals from Sesko. That assist from Dago to Sesko again, brilliant. The goals were great. I'm not going to lie to you, the goals were great. However, come on, bro. We need to do better. We need to start defend well, brother. That one chance and get them score. Boom, them score. It's just Manchester United, brother. It's just Manchester United. It is what it is at this point. It is what it is. Just not care anymore, brother. Just don't care anymore. Just say fuck it. Fuck it, Pam. Fuck it. Anyway, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe for brand new. Thank you guys for watching. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.